Hello and welcome to this episode of T-Tech. On today's episode, we're going to download NetBSD. I do hope you enjoy it, and let's get into it. Hello and welcome to this episode of T-Tech. In today's episode, we're downloading NetBSD. So in this case, I'm using Edge as my web browser, and I'm on Google. And we're going to just go ahead and search NetBSD, all one word. We want to go to the NetBSD project at netbsd.org. And once we arrive here, go ahead and look down here, and it says NetBSD 8.1, released on May 30th, 2019, so this year. And you want to look for the version number here, and that's usually the one you want to download. If you do scroll down, they have an older version for more of a stable type release. You don't normally have to use that one though. We're going to focus here on A1 though. In the CPU column here, this is your CPU type and how it works. So depending on what you have, you need to make sure you download the right one. This is for the most common computer you'll see today, which is AMD 64, which is 64-bit. We're in a transition period, sort of, where we're going to ARM as well. So these two are what you want to focus on. If you have something older, download the i386, about 10 to 20 years old type computers. It will work on that. And you would just download those two. Either use this one for an optical disc to boot off a CD or DVD, or write this one to a USB stick. Now, we're going to focus here on AMD 64. You can use the DVD the same way, the USB image the same way, but the difference is if you have a newer computer that doesn't use the normal BIOS, you want to use UEFI to make it boot. And then you would just write this image to a stick instead of this one. But in this case, we have a normal older computer that's 64-bit, so we're going to go ahead and click the USB image. And here's our image, and we're going to click Save. So with that, once that downloads, just download either a raw disk imager and write it to a USB or something like ImageBurn to put it on a CD. Just remember to use WinRAR first and unzip it. So with all that, I'm Tyler with the T-Tech. I hope this was enjoyable. Have a very nice day.